Hello, it is I. Uh, I know, me making content, that's shocking. Um, I am back with some C hash things. I knew we said C sharp then, but then I nearly got beaten up for saying that. I'm kidding. Um, yeah, so I've decided that I would like to make a dice roller. I know you can get these online, but I want to improve my C hash skills. C sharp, I'm sorry. C sharp skills, because that's what I'm doing in college at the moment. We use C sharp instead of Python, which is a bit annoying to get my head around, because I did Python in high school, which is a lot easier. I have got W3 Schools in a tab next to it. You can't see that because of the way that I've set this up. So yeah, what I am hoping to use is, instead of a load of if-else statements, because that's just going to look ugly, hoping to use a switch case, which is interesting. Let's see. No, I don't want all of that. Okay, I can't search the website, but can search Google. Great. HTML? No. CSS? No. So what I am hoping to do is, Bootstrap. Hoping to do is make it so that user puts in a, it's going to be D&D orientated, so it's going to be a polyhedral dice set, which is the funky looking dice, you know, the ones with like the, how many is it, I have a dice set somewhere, I'll get that, hold on a second. So polyhedral dice are those funky looking dice, which are four-sided, a four-sided one, a six-sided one, an eight-sided one, I think this is a nine-sided one, I believe, 12-sided, 10-sided, which is, I don't actually know what most of these are used for, and the obligatory 20-sided dice. Die, whatever. I don't actually know what most of these dice are used for. I know one of them is for my hit points, so my health, and one of them, I think it might be the eight-sided one, is used for some of my attacks, like some of my weapons. Anyway, I am fully aware that you could just go use D&D Beyond, or any other, like Google I think has one, and there are loads of other ones. I'm pretty sure Tabletop Simulator has one, Let's Roll is one. You can use all of them, whatever. I just want to build one. So I'm using REPL because I don't have access to any other coding bits. We use Visual Basic at college, but I can't get that because I'm on Chromebook. Let me see if I can. Alright, so switch case, C hash. I am. Right, so console write line. This should be easy. This should just be as simple as console write line. Enter your desired die to roll. So that'll put that out. I'm not sure whether I've got to do fancy C hash input message box. Because right. So with Visual, did I say Visual Basic? I meant Visual Studio. With Visual Studio, it's easy because you can just draw what you need on a form, or you can do whatever else it is you need to do. You can also do console in it, but we've been using forms for it, so you can just draw like a button, and you double click the button, and it'll just put the private void in for you, or public void, whichever. It'll put one of these things in for you. That's not what I wanted. Input from console, because that's what we're doing. So it will rewrite that. Console line. I haven't done a lot of this side. I just use whatever. But I am wondering. Right, so CH switch. I can put the switch in at the moment, and then I can do all the other gubbins later. So, let's have a look. So it would be int day is input switch. Not sorry. The thing is day, so it would be, what are we going to call this? I don't want to call it in sides, I guess, equals imp. I know that's not going to work, but I can just do that. Does this need to be on its own? I reckon so. No, it should be fine. I am fully aware this is going to be me making a absolute pig's ear of this. Right. The next few videos that I record are basically just going to be me trying to work out what the hell I'm doing. Switch sides by the looks of it. I know it's going to tell me that this isn't. Oh, this might have declared it. I'm not entirely sure, but it might tell me that sides isn't a good enough variable. Right, let's do that. So case 1 will be console. It's just going to be a lot of me typing console.writeLine. I apologize. Console. You can't. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is just going to be me writing. Can we do or statements? I think you can. What was the smallest one? 4. I could get D&D Beyond up actually. See if that will tell me what the smallest one is. I hope. So how are you all doing? Because I know it's been a little while. I hope you'll all be up to some fun things. Right. Well. Yes, that was D4. Sweet. Oh, this doesn't tell me what it is, so I need to get it up in another tab, because then I can hover over it. Anyway, yeah, so it's been a little while since I have, done what I'm doing. I suppose I've just started college, which is fun in its own ways, but then at the same time very, very dull. At this current moment in time, I am studying IT, computer science, and a language, Spanish to be exact, which is, again, has its pros and cons. But at the moment, we are doing, do you want to click maybe? We are doing databasing in in IT, which is getting very boring very, very quickly. No, can you come here, please? I don't know why it's got little lines in it, but I hope it works. Ooh. Can you just straight up put all? I'm not sure. If anyone knows any... People are going to be screaming at me, I know this much, but, right, yes, a D4. People are going to be screaming at me, so that's fun. Can we get rid of these? Yes, we can. Because of how inept I am at doing this, but it's okay. Right. Case. Console dot. You're gonna automatically, yep. Right line. So what I'm. Oh, okay, right. No. Right, so I get what this is doing. If you put 4, so basically, I would like to. Okay, I'm recording this window at the moment. So basically, what it's saying is int day equals 4. Switch day. So what it's doing is, so case 1 is console.writeLine Monday, break, and then the rest will carry on because it's using days of the week. But what I realise that I need to do is, this is not going to make sense, I don't think. So what I need it to do is where these ones are, is put 4 or D4 so that it goes to the right one. And then I'm thinking out loud at the minute. And then I need to put in what needs to happen here. So it will be something like random integer between 1 and 4, because that's how many numbers can be on there. Generate random number between 1 and 4, because you can set the parameters and all that jazz. Can you do 4 or D? Oh, yeah, I think you can do that. Oh, no, okay, so some. Yes, maybe. Right, so if I do it like that, yeah, I'm fully aware my capitals are awful. So this I don't think will work, but we can try. Haven't used this in a while. .NET Run. Are you going to carry on? Or... Right, access status. Already broken it. That's fine. Problem is, with this, it doesn't tell you what's gone wrong. Oh, wait, no, yes it does. 1413. Yeah, it's just you have to read it. Home-run.cs 1231. Syntax error. Put comma in somewhere. Or haven't got a comma. That's expected. Is it? I don't know. I don't know how to read this. Oh, it literally just tells me syntax error. Great. Oh, this is why. No. D4. No, this is right. This is how the thing's done it. Right. Break. Okay. I am just so confused by this. I might have to consult a person in my class about it. I don't know. This doesn't make it very... I might have to find somewhere that has IntelliSense, because that will make it easier for me. I don't know. I don't know. Is this... Oh, no, okay. That's still squishy. Sorry, I've got some clay next to me. Because of course I have. Yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do... Unless there's... Unless there's a really good app I can download for free, because I don't want to pay for things. This is I don't think REPL does anything Visual Basic-y. Anyway, I can sort this out later. I don't think you can use... This is probably the issue here, was I was trying to do Audi4. So this needs to be gotten rid of. Let me just do a comment. Generate random for numbers. Between obvious parameter. No, I'm not going to put obvious parameters, but like between highest and lowest number. That would make sense. I'll put die because that is the actual name. I apologise for that absolute dad sneeze that just happened, if you could hear that. Okay, so unit test databases, settings, packages, version control. No, get out of here. Get out of here. Go away. Okay, let's just get the bulk of it right now. That's cool. Break. That needs to go in there, I think. Get in there. No. That's indented as well, so that'll go in there. No, come on. Case, is it 8 next? Yes. And now, you have modifiers in D&D, so I'm not sure. The only way I could think of doing that is tacking on a modifier at the end. So let's say you had dexterity with a modifier of +3 and you rolled, it would be on a 20, so let's say you rolled. Your answer you got would be, so you need to take the answer from the random number generation, and then you would need to ask for if there are any modifiers, so you'd have to write another console.writeLine. Yes, I suppose it could work that way. It's just going to be a bit inefficient. That's all. I'm interested to see how D&D Beyond did it, to be honest with you. because I'm sure they've got some fancy way of doing it. Sure, my friends are sick to death of me, and my parents are sick to death of me talking about D&D, but I just enjoy it a lot. I don't know why I put console.writeline in there, to be honest with you. Break. I'll do 100 last because it makes sense to go up in. Like, makes sense to have the smallest one at the top, I think. I am aware this is not very riveting, but it's whatever. I'm trying at the moment. So 10, 12, is it? Yeah. Case 12. Break. In case you wanted to know, I have not been doing very much with the time that I've had off. Because I got to leave early from high school. I didn't do very much of that. I mainly stayed in my room, which isn't healthy, I'm aware. Now, I'm not sure. Right, so how does this work? Does that just give you numbers 1 to 10? By the looks of it. Oh, okay, I see. That's not a 9-sided dice. That is a 10-sided dice, I think. Where is it? It's not the one that I want. Oh, it's got 0 on it, so 0 must be 10. Because all the other ones have 1 as their lowest. Yeah, so 0 must be 10. And the rest, obviously. Yeah, so I've got 2 of the same dice, but they are. One of them is up to 10, and one of them is up to 100 by the looks of it. I think. We've got AirPods though. I can't remember what I was saying. I was saying something about being at home. Someone just messaged me. Right, so I do need to have a 10-sided dice, and I need to have. I've already got a 10-sided dice, right? Okay. Okay. And then 100 is obviously self-explanatory. Break. And then how do I end this? I guess you don't. I guess you just put what you need, right? Okay. So I've got my bracket there for all of that jazz. And then I need to look at. I don't know. Yeah, I need a random number generator in all of them because that should make it work. Right, okay, I can sort of see what I'm doing. See, I haven't used Python in a long time, so I say that I would know how to do this in Python, but I absolutely don't. But it would be something along the lines of, you name the variable, was it? I can't remember, but it's like, it used to be int input, and then you'd write what your input was, but I don't know how to make this an input. I think you'd have to do like read line or something like that. Right. So I don't need that open anymore. Not sure if I need that. C#, random number between. Stack Overflow, great. Except this. Let's see. Oh, this looks amazing. Thing is though, I'm not entirely sure. Right, the one that I've got goes random r equals new random brackets semicolon. In rin equals r.next 0 100 semicolon. Int range equals 100. So I'm not sure if that would generate 100. Right, okay, yeah, I need to sort this one out, so put a note in there. Needs to be multiple of 10 somehow. That's how you spell multiple. Was it an A? I don't know. Multiple? That doesn't look right. Maybe that. This would be 1 and 8, 1 and 10, 1 and 12, 1 and 20, 1 and 6, and 1 and 4. Right. I'm not going to try and run it at the moment because that's just going to give me a headache. Right, so by the looks of it, it looks like so what it says. I'm just going to copy and paste this because I can't bother to type it out. Random int. I'm just going to nick this code. It's me random. Int. I'll take the comment out actually because I don't need the whole comment. So it looks like, I'm not sure if you need to do it. This is so it'd be 1 and 5 because basically by the looks of it, if you want the number 1, so basically if you want 4, you have to do 5 because I don't think it picks 5, or it won't pick 5. But then what do you do if it does pick 5? Huh, I don't know. Should probably stop this now before I try and give myself a headache. So it's very nice to sit here and try and do something. If you have any things that you'd like to suggest in the comments for what I need to do, that would be grand. I know at least one of you will try and help. So yes, I guess this is goodbye for now. I don't know when the next one of these will be coming out. I'll try to do some more research to try and seem a bit more, able to do this. I will change I guess this is what the variable is going to be called, so you'd have to change that to sides, I'm guessing. So, that would be 7. I'll just copy and paste these in here before I go. So that needs to be 9. That needs to be 11. Yeah, so what I will do next time is, or in between, I'm not sure when the next episode of this will be coming out though. What I will do in the meantime is I will change all of the int dice things to int sides, I think. Although I'm not entirely sure whether that's going to work. It might do. Come along for the ride. That looks really complicated actually. Maybe I've gone a bit too far over my head, who knows. But while I'm doing this, I hope you'll have a good rest of your day, evening, night, morning, whatever. I will put this in here. Yeah, if you liked this, boop that like button. If you didn't, that's also fine. If you want to leave comments, then comment at me. And other than that, I shall bid thee farewell until another day. I will try and maybe do these every weekend. It's a Tuesday as of record. No, it's not Tuesday. It's a Monday as of recording this, and it will go straight up after I've recorded this. Hopefully, if my computer's okay with that. So yeah, I don't know if I'll do one this weekend or next weekend. I don't know how it's going to work out every Monday. I don't know. I'll work it out when it comes to it. I'll try not to leave it so long between videos because I know it's been at least a month, maybe 2, probably 5, knowing me. Because the last time, I can't remember which Lego model we did, but we did a Lego model on live stream. So there was that. I need to water my plants, so I'm going to go do that now. And I shall see you all next time. Adios.